So welcome to this guide, guys. Today we are discussing about some of the easiest and of course realistic ways to make money online in Kenya without capital. So if you want to learn any of this, of course click that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. Of course, I'll see you on the other side.
In a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race.
So the first way actually that I'm part of is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is another great way to make money online without having to invest any of your own money. So what does this involve? So it involves actually promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale that results from your efforts. Now, one of the biggest benefits of affiliate marketing in Kenya is that it allows you to earn money while you sleep. So you can promote products through your website, social media, or even through email marketing, and then of course continue to earn commissions on any sales that come through those channels. Now, setting up an affiliate account is easy and of course usually free. Most companies actually that offer affiliate programs will have a sign up link on their website. Once you've signed up, you'll be given a unique link or code to promote their product. Now, once you get this link, finding relevant products to promote can be as simple as browsing through your favorite online stores and of course looking for products that align with your interests or niche. Now, you can also search for affiliate programs in specific industries such as health and wellness, technology, or even fashion. And there are many strategies you can use to promote products as an affiliate marketer. For example, you can start creating product reviews, writing blog posts, or even using paid advertising. In summary, affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online in Kenya without using any of your own funds. It's easy to get started, and with the right approach, you can earn a steady income from your efforts. Of course, if you want to learn more about this topic, of course, this is the channel for you. I'll be teaching you everything I know about this, so make sure you click that subscribe button. Now, the second, of course, is freelancing. Now, freelancing involves offering your skills and services to clients on a project by project basis. So there are very many types of freelance work available, such as writing, graphic design, web development, and even virtual assistants. Now, to find clients and opportunities, you can join online marketplaces such as Upwork, Freelancer.com, or even Fiverr. You can also reach out to businesses or individuals directly through your own website or social media. Now, of course, once you've reached them out, negotiating payment terms is an important part of this process. It's important to have a clear understanding of how much you will be paid for each project, as well as when and of course how you will be paid. Now, here are some tips for successful in Kenya include building a strong portfolio, setting clear expectations with the client, and of course being responsive and professional in all of your interactions. Again, if you want to learn more about freelancing, this is the channel for you. This is what I do. Know a little thing about this. Now, the third realistic way to make money online in Kenya without capital is, wait for it, yes, selling digital products. Now, there are many types of digital products you can sell. For example, eBooks on a specific topic, online courses, or even printable designs. Now, once you've chosen any of these, setting up your store is easy with platforms like Shopify, Gumroad, or Shopify. Now, you can also use your own website or social media to sell these digital products. You actually don't need a website to make money selling digital products. You just create a product and then of course sell it on your social media. Now, strategies for promoting your digital products include creating free content such as blog posts or videos, and using social media to reach a wider audience. Those are the three that I've seen actually working. That is affiliate marketing, selling digital products, and of course freelancing. And you don't need any capital to start any of this, but I'll say again, some of these won't work if you don't have a laptop. So maybe you can borrow a friend, but well, yes, for say digital products, you don't actually need to own the laptop. You can just borrow from a friend, create the digital product using that, and of course now you can sell it, the digital product. Once you've created it, download it to your phone, then you can now start selling through your phone. Now, of course, in my next video I'm going to talk about 3 realistic ways you can make money in Kenya using your phone, so stick around for that. Thank you guys if you watched this far. Thanks a lot.
Come easy, had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hand.